Day. Day. Today is a good day. Week. Week. It's been a busy week. Month. Month. March is my favorite month. Year. Year. The new year starts tomorrow. Decade. Decade. A decade is 10 years. Century. Century. We live in the 21st century. Minute. Minute. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Hour. Hour. The meeting lasted 2 hours. Morning. Morning. I wake up early in the morning. Afternoon. Afternoon. I usually rest in the afternoon. Evening. Evening. We go for a walk in the evening. Night. Night. I sleep at night. Yesterday. Yesterday. I met him yesterday. Today. Today. Today is a special day. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday. Season. Season. Winter is my favorite season. Past. Past. I learned a lot in the past. Future. Future. I'm planning for the future. Calendar. Calendar. Check the date on the calendar. Schedule. Schedule. I have a busy schedule today. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.